Here's my go-to setup for today's mission. I'm rocking a 5/8 ounce hookup bait in Watermelon Jack, one of my confidence colors in the bay. I'm throwing it on my trusty Daiwa Procyon rod with my reliable BG 4000 reel on it. Dude, it's warm. Alright. Beautiful colors on this guy. Alright, see ya. That spotty hit it like a freight train. Dude, don't throw up your lunch all over my... Another one. See ya. South Bay may be shallow, but when the wind picks up, it turns calm water into a washing machine in no time. When the breeze starts ripping across the flats, you learn quick when to push and when to head in.